In 2018, Goodwill Industries of Alberta was able to create greater connections within the community, generating more engagement and creating meaningful employment opportunities for those we serve. For example, we have been able to provide space at the Edmonton Impact Centre for some of these partnerships, such as the innovative program of You Can Ride Too, Alberta Reads, and our Commercial Services Division.
You're right, Kevin. It was a tremendous year in 2018 at the Amazing Impact Centre, and especially with partnerships like You Can Ride Too, where in 2018 we partnered with that organization to support 161 individuals and children with disabilities. The progress and success of this collaboration led us to an opportunity with Alberta Reads, a tremendous literacy program for children in area schools.
Our partnership with Alberta Reads helps get books into the community for those who don't have access to reading material. At our first sorting event with Alberta Reads, volunteers were able to process and recycle over 1,000 books, supporting greater literacy and supporting Goodwill's commitment and diverting waste from the landfill.
Great things continue to emerge each and every day at our Amazing Impact Centre, including within our Commercial Services Division. Within Commercial Services in 2018, we introduced a brand new upcycle program by taking donated teacups that weren't sold in our stores and converting them to opportunities as candles for home decor and otherwise. This teacup upcycle program is supporting our Sustainability Action Plan while at the same time creating job opportunities for Albertans with disabilities.
In 2018, our tremendous team of nearly 800 Goodwillians continue to proudly serve the communities we operate in. Our Goodwillians are truly the heartbeat of Goodwill, both past and present. Our celebration of our team led Goodwill to honor one of our own in Valerie Thornton. Valerie came through the Career Connections program and spent 21 years working at Goodwill. Her dedication, hard work, and cheerful smile led to our Career Connections Centre of Excellence in Edmonton being named in her honor.
We certainly were proud of Valerie and over the last half a century, many Goodwillians. Although we are excited and proud of our past, we are keenly focused on a commitment of excellence for the future. We are excited to continue our journey of good by leading the way, respecting our P bottom line of people, profit with purpose, and the planet. Thank you to everyone who has supported us along this journey, from our hardworking team members of nearly 800 Goodwillians to our wonderful, dedicated and loyal board of directors, and to the many volunteers that make great things happen at Goodwill. And of course, thank you to our shoppers and donors, for which all of this would not be possible without you. Thank you for making such a difference.
Together, we are changing lives for the better through the dignity of a job and the power of work. Our successes and amazing positive change we make every year create a better community, a better Alberta. With your help, we look forward to the progress that awaits us in 2019.